Hey everyone! Today we're checking out Tiger Drop, an app that claims you can earn money by playing simple mini games and completing levels. At first glance, the app looks exciting bright visuals, fast levels, and a promise of easy cash outs. But after testing it for a few days, the truth is disappointing. The coins or points you earn increase fast early on, but once you reach the withdrawal limit, everything slows dramatically. Ads multiply, and the payout bar barely moves. There are dozens of reviews online reporting no verified payouts and no working proof of real transfers. In fact, users say that even after completing the required levels, their withdrawal requests are under review forever. The developers also hide key payout info. No clear partner, no terms explaining how cash is generated. If you're looking for entertainment, it's fine for short bursts of fun. But if your goal is earning real money, Tiger Drop doesn't seem to deliver. Verdict: fun game, fake rewards. Play only for entertainment, not income.